Hi and welcome to my little editing room. Hi in Swedish, by the way, means shark, and now you know. Today it's the December the 1st and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, which I like a lot because you can sit in front of the fire, you can drink hot drinks and eating gingerbread and watch the snow fall silently outside. Cozy. Anyway, I want to give you a little update of what's going on with Nordic of Fragile Hope and last week. But first, I want to say welcome and thank you to our new subscribers. I'm so happy that you find your way to our channel. Hope you like it. Hope you keep on commenting, sharing, spreading the word, and being a part of the Fragile Hope family. So, last week we got the opportunity to try out the projections and technique for the first time inside the concert hall in Gothenburg. The technique and the technicians arrived from Copenhagen, and it was really good to get like a overview of what it's all about. And the first impression was wow, because everything gets really big and you feel tiny. And it's also really good to see because you had the vision and suddenly the artistic direction takes a totally different path to what you thought of from the beginning, if that makes sense. And that's the creative process, I guess. We are a great team with Andrea, Christiane, Johan and Kasper. Everything changed when it came up on the walls. The color corrections, the contrast, everything. So I had to enhance everything. But luckily, I was able to connect my editing directly to the projectors. So I could sit there inside the concert hall and editing directly on the wall. And that was very, very helpful. I'm going to put a link down below so you can find your way to the Gothenburg Symphony Orchestra and where to buy tickets. But you need to hurry, because it's starting to get sold out and they haven't even started with the marketing yet. And I'm very, very happy about that. So, we did some diving last week and that was fantastic. We had full moon, the surface of the ocean was calm, little tiny waves, and the moonlight gave away like this glittering feeling on the surface of the ocean. And it was bioluminescence. We had Nordic light. Can you imagine? Nordic light. It was about 7-8 degrees minus Celsius, which is about 18-19 degrees Fahrenheit. So it was crisp. And we saw some cool stuff. So hope you enjoy it. Keep on engaged. Keep on liking, sharing, commenting, and be a part of the Fragile Hope family. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye bye.